Yo, 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 yo. What's good, you guys? You know who it is, man. This your boy, Mr. Relentless Lex, and I'm back with another reaction. You dig? Yes, sir. All right, so we got Metallica, Master of Puppets, man. Let's get it. Now, first of all, before we do get it, make sure you guys are smashing that like button, man. Make sure you're running the numbers up on our subscriptions because you guys are doing a wonderful job on the new channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my third channel. I'm going to make a story time probably about the other two channels. Maybe. You know what I'm saying? So, but for now, we're going to try to get this channel back up and growing and pick back up where we left off at. You feel me? So this is Master of Puppets by Metallica. And if you like the reaction, man, smash the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike button. Let's get it. I'm going to curse that. There we go. Had to find my cursor.
Are you alive?
Are you right?
How does it feel to be alive?
How does it feel to be alive? Hold up, let me turn the dog on volume up some. Some sounds kind of low. How does it feel to be alive? Feels damn good, bro. Let's go. Why the volume is still down? Wait a minute. Maybe it's just because of the video is old. Oh! Hey, yo, bro, you know you beating the hell out some drums when you stick your tongue out like Michael Jordan, bro. You know that. You beating the hell out of them drums. And you're like, damn, I'm like, this nigga beating the fuck out of them drums, bro. Is this like an actual movie? It look like this is a movie. Is this just a video or what? Because if it's just a video, they doing a damn good. It look like it could have been like a soundtrack of a movie or something. Oh! Damn, that dude, who was that? I know y'all know, like, y'all big Metallica fans, bro. I'm just not learning about Metallica, right? Who's the guy right here with the big ass shoulders playing the damn guitar? Right there. What's his name? Ah. Yeah, man, I like this. Master. I don't know not one word besides master. Master, that's the only word I learned so far. But I'm loving this Metallica group though, for real. I really am though. Hey, you know what? I thought it was just me, but some of the people in the crowd can't catch the beat neither. and they metal heads, bro. For real. I'm over here trying to catch the beat. I'm like boom, 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 side to side, back. I'm like that shit be on and off, off and on. And a lot of metal is like that, bro. Heavy metal is like that for some reason. It like the beat is like off, but on. I got to get with the program because I can't bob like I'm listening to hip hop. This is a whole different damn bob, yo. With metal, you don't have the same bob. Master! This nigga got a 100-round clip bullet belt. What's next? Because we got a long time. Here we go, something different. This got to be a movie. Oh, shoot. This got to be a movie, bro. All of them against that one guy? Oh. 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 I done got interested in the movie now. The video, they saw they hung my man right there on the neck. That's crazy, boy. Damn. Hey, boy, I like this. will help you die. Don't help me die, bro. I want to live, bro. Don't help me die. How you want to help somebody die? That means he's a killer. That's the way of saying I'm gonna kill you kindly. Hey, instead of saying, hey, I'm gonna beat the living. Hey, you want me to help you die? That's like the nice way of saying I'm gonna kill you or something. Polite way.
I will occupy. I will help you die.
I will help you die.
Now will you tell? Give it to me. Master of puppets. Just hear my responsibility. Running from me, you can't get me. Just come on in, 'cause I'll use straight. Master. Just come on in, I'll use straight. Master.
It's hard to catch this beat, bro. Hey, I like it, but I can't catch the beat. I ain't gonna cap. No kizzy, I can't catch the beat. Master. Ugh. This nigga had a rough day. You know what? This is a good video to watch when you think your day was like really, really rough and it can't get no worse. This is a good video to watch right here. My man right there. He had a fucked up day, bro. A real fucked up day. But you guys, man, thank you for watching the video, the reaction, man. This is your boy, Mr. Relentless Lex, signing off, man. Till next time. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscription button. You dig? With your family over here. My homie.